What's going on, guys? So what an insane day in the stock market today. Stock market did not do anything that I thought it was going to do after Friday's big flush. I was not saying that the market was going to go to zero, but I thought that what was going to happen with starting to see the futures ramp up so aggressively last night, I thought we were going to get stuffed into the 5 and 10 day moving average on the Qs, and I thought we were going to slowly fade back over and test that 20-day moving average. So I was expecting a lot of stocks to gap up. Stocks like Nvda, I was expecting to gap up. I actually did have a short position that I was looking to take on Nvda here. 308 was that big level that I was looking for here. We tested that double bottom twice, 308.80. That does have room down to the 300 area. Nvda was just an absolute rock star. So was all of the other semiconductors, AMD, QCOM, AMAT. If we think about it, realistically, when the triple Qs and the Nasdaq had our first big breakout, the reclaim of the 50-day moving average, and that big 2.5, 3-month rally that we've had on the triple Qs, it was kind of the semiconductors who kind of led us higher. If we can expect the Santa Claus rally going to start a little bit earlier, if we can expect this next leg higher on the Qs before we do have any sort of significant pullback or any type of correction on the Qs, it's probably going to be the semiconductors who are going to lead us out on top once again. So insane move on Nvda today. It is definitely going to be one of my top watches for tomorrow, November the 30th, kind of for a scalp day trade to the long side. This is up $18.73, 5.5%, 6% on the day. Currently closed at $336. After hours continue to ramp up higher, 335.60. I see Nvda possibly testing all-time highs here at around 346.47. After hours, we did come into this candle's little top here before we started this wick at around 336. So tomorrow, what I'm looking for, and again, we have to follow the cues. We have to see what the Nasdaq and the overall market is doing. But if this is going to take us higher, and we're going to have a day 2 continuation push, then we have to take out this 336 level. I'm going to be looking to get long and take a scalp through 336 with an initial price target of around 340, 345. Okay, those are going to be some of the areas that I'm going to be looking to take out here with Nvda. Obviously, any kind of significant pullback or red day on the triple Qs, Nvda has to lose today's low, and that's going to be $320. Anything below $320 does have room down here back to the rising 10-day moving average at around 315. So nothing too much on the short side right now on Nvda, just due to the fact that if you look at the daily chart, it is extremely, extremely strong. We just took out 3 days worth of price action here, kind of engulfed all those candles on this gap up. That Friday pullback that we had could have been on low volume. If we take a look at this candle here, very, very low volume on the 26th of November, which was this pullback here. We can expect that a lot of participants were not taking part in the market just due to the holiday and the short day. So this got eaten up very, very quickly, like this never happened. We can pretty much just erase 11/26 off of the calendar. And if we just look at this candle today, we still took out these 2 prior days worth of price action along with 11/19 and 11/18. So Nvda looks extremely strong. Could we put in an inside bar day tomorrow in between 333 and around 323? Of course, I could see that happening. Put in maybe one inside bar day here and then kind of ramping up maybe Wednesday or Thursday through this 336. Definitely 336 is going to be on watch for me all week, along with 320 to the downside if there is any sort of news that comes out this week with the new variant or some kind of restrictions or closures. But just hearing Joe Biden talk today, he's not going to push the mask mandates. He's not going to enforce any type of closures. This new variant doesn't seem to be as strong as they thought initially it might been, or what people were in fear of it being. So definitely we're going to want to keep Nvda on watch if we do start to test these all-time highs here before we get some kind of consolidation or pullback here. But as long as we are trading over the 5-day moving average, I am going to look to play Nvda to the long side. Okay, whether we pull back into a 1-hour time frame support or a 5-minute time frame support, those are the 2 charts that I like to play intraday. I'll look to take those bounces off of that, but Nvda looks super strong. I mean, this is a monster move here. We look primed up, ready to put in all-time highs before the year's end. And again, just keep that 320 level on watch. As long as we're trading over that 320 level, I'm pretty confident that Nvidia is going to continue to go higher. So guys, if you could do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below, and I will see you guys all in the next video.